Hi, welcome back to the iWealth podcast. Today I have JP with us, and he's a wealth advisor at iWealth and located in Waseca. And I wanted to ask him, so JP, you're just coming up on a year now of being in this business and testing and meeting with a lot of clients with me and things like that. Like, what is something starting out now in this business? What is something that has surprised you when you thought, going through college and getting your financial degree and that kind of thing? What's something that surprises you today as you kind of think back over this past 10 months that you really didn't think about kind of coming into this? There's something that come to mind when I ask you?
Absolutely. I would say definitely, one of the biggest things is when you're in school, you're worried about, should I pick stock A? Should I pick stock B? What is this company's valuation? You're looking at different kinds of ratios, all sorts of things. And then you actually get into the financial planning, and it's more of a holistic aspect. You're looking at their Social Security, you're looking at their taxes, you're looking at their different insurances, you're looking at their whole entire picture, and not whether they should be in Apple versus Microsoft,
right?
Stock A versus stock B. It's a holistic approach rather than, picking.
Yeah. And different tools we use, right, in order to do that, from the Fish Don't Clap planning site to iTrack and to Riskalyze and different type of tools that we kind of use. Did you use any of that stuff in college?
Yeah, absolutely. No. The short answer, no. It was, really just breaking down ratios and looking at, is this stock is it overvalued or is it undervalued? And then you come into the financial planning business and you have this website tool, Fish Don't Clap that we use. And it's, hey, do you have your will done? Do you have your POA? Do you have your HCD? Have you talked about, iWealth or your plan for your family? I think that's definitely one of the most important things. Yeah,
it's super important to know those ratios and understand those ratios of price to earnings ratios and different things. But at the end of the day, you could have a really good stock, but if the market goes down and you need your money to live on for retirement and you sell it on sale, it doesn't work. So you've got to have a plan in place. And so that's pretty cool that you're saying that you're learning that the plan is super, super important, that you have your I's dotted and T's crossed.
I would say what you learn in school is kind of the back side of things.
Sure.
And then the holistic planning is the, upfront and in-person type of.
Yeah. And I would say, one of the cool things about yourself is that, I'll toot your horn a little bit, JP, but there's a lot of super smart people in this business, but you also have to be able to connect and articulate and talk to people. And one of the skill sets that you've been able to develop in your early on days here, because you're just getting rolling, but you've been able to develop the skill set of being a really good listener, and then being able to take the concepts that are complex and just kind of be able to present those to people. And that's a skill set that can be learned, but you also kind of have to have it, and you've got that piece. So I'm super, really, really looking forward to what the future has for you with meeting with clients and holding their hands and helping them and being knee to knee. We joke about I'll be a little upset that he's not sitting in all my meetings anymore, because I can be a little lazy as he takes the notes and gets everything kind of off my desk onto his desk. But really looking forward to see what the future holds, and thanks for being here.
Yes, absolutely. Me also.
You bet.